shit! What the fuck?
There's more nights singing outside the hotel than I was so lucky I had a room next to the main street, so I was listening to the drunken Irish people sing.
Whoa, dude!
Yeah. No, but it was enjoyable to hear them enjoying themselves.
It's like today, I don't know how to do it. Believe me, I need a new scene, afraid I can't wait. I need to stay. Long as it's been every
Okay, Jesus. Jesus, girl. Get off your phone. Oh my God.
Jesus, what are we doing?
He hasn't learned how to regulate his emotions, at least fully yet. And again, he has trauma, so like,
Watch the fuck out, Jesus, dude. Fucking Jesus, dude. What is that? Holy shit. Cool, dude. What is this?
Yeah.
Are you just dead in the middle?
Wendy.
Holy crap. What a place for your car to die.
Bitch, you done released the Kraken. I'm up on Mount Olympus while I'm rapping. So when the lightning strikes and water's turning, thunder's crashing, and the twister's touching down like that movie with Bill Paxton. It's me up in my studio.
Right here, dude.
came back. Raised with Davis.
Goddamn, you couldn't have been more wrong, dude.
Virgil van Dijk just minded his own. That's some air. He's just stripping the ball. That's some air Michael Jordan time. Is there? That's some air time in that. It's a hand time.
It's a red arrow,
Whatever it is,
guys.
he was up there, and for a long time, minding his own business. I don't know if he
Bruh.
was gonna feel bad for Galatasaray, but if they stuck to the rules, what? Wow, weak. That goal should have stood. That is a bit of an embarrassment, Nico.
Okay, bye.
Jesus. Yeah, fuck you.
Hey, don't fucking honk back, you bitch.
Go ahead. Whatever. Okay, I guess not then.
Changed it in the first place. Like, that is the problem here. I don't care if you uploaded the wrong one. Like, why are you feeding it to begin with?
Okay, what are we doing? Okay. What was that?
I see you.
Jesus fucking Christ, dude. I'm nowhere fucking near you. And now you drive into that guy. Holy shit, man.
The fuck, dude? Really?
Jesus Christ, dude. What the hell is happening here?
Wow. What an asshole.
Jesus, man.
Right, because I can. Kidding me, dude?
And like some dress up clothes and all makeup and my hair done, but like,
Whoa.
what?
That Nissan cut off that Volkswagen.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Job has made him understand. I had a very blunt and direct conversation with my significant other about how unacceptable his actions were at work. As expected, he deflected and made excuses. I shut that down immediately. Here's the excuses he gave. He was
Probably like October, November-ish, and my husband's phone just like completely shit the bed. And anyway.
I love people.
Oh, that's not what I wanted.
Dude.
Dude, fucking go! What are you fucking doing?
when all of a sudden I take a breath and feel a stab of pain. I try to sit up and I get waves of pain radiating from my abdomen, which has become extremely rigid all of a sudden. I got up and the pain got worse. I could feel my guts.
You wanted that. What the, like, why does JT like to hang out with him? He's such a fuckboy.
The guy in the scooter was just standing in the middle of the road.
Articles of shit that I saw, still selling periodicals. I spit from my jaw in my time on this planet where nobody gave a damn it. I'm just trying to understand it, or I'm laying like mechanic. Hard at work.
revenge. It's not even revenge.
It's not.
It's not revenge. You completely did not get revenge on the person who did this to you.
Yep.
You're just doing horrible things to someone who has nothing
Just
to do
cut
with you.
holes in the butt area of your husband's pants.
Yeah. Comments. Why did she do it to the woman and not her husband who vowed to stay by her side in sickness and in health? I mean, apart from deep-rooted misogyny, of course. Probably taught the boys to hate the women and tolerate their father, too. Opie said, I think she was hoping...
If he would have hit my truck, dude, oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh! I didn't mean to do that.
I'm gonna roll my window.
Yeah.
Roll your window.